Start. This petition has been filed under subsections 5 and 9 of Section 11 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 for the appointment of an independent and impartial person as a sole arbitrator for the adjudication of the disputes that have arisen between the parties. Stop. The respondent has appeared to contest the petition primarily on the ground that no valid arbitration agreement exists between the parties so as to call for the appointment of an arbitrator in terms thereof. Stop. The respondent's case precisely is that the contract document which the petitioner relies upon has not been signed on its behalf by an authorized person and is not therefore binding or enforceable against it. Stop. Two questions essentially arise for determination in the light of the pleadings of the parties and the submissions made by them at the bar. Stop. I shall presently deal with both these questions, but before I do so, I may set out the facts necessary for the determination of the said questions. Stop. The petitioner is a joint venture company between the GP Group in Thailand and Asian Group in India, incorporated under the provisions of the laws of Thailand. Stop. The respondent, on the other hand, is an Indian company incorporated under the provisions of Companies Act 1956. Stop. The disputes sought to be referred for adjudication thus involves international commercial arbitration within the meaning of Section 11 read with Section 2 of the Act aforementioned. Stop. The petitioner company appears to have had commercial transactions with the respondent for some time past. Stop. One of the transactions which they appear to have entered into in the course of their business relationship was contract number 57 for the sale by the petitioner and purchase by the respondent of 75 meters of aluminium. Stop. The present proceedings, however, do not concern the said contract. Stop. These proceedings relate to contract number 73 executed on 30th July 2008 for the sale by the petitioner and the purchase by the respondent of 150 meters of aluminium on the terms and conditions stipulated in the said contract. Stop. The contract, among others terms and conditions, stipulated the price of the goods to be US dollar 349 per meters payable by 100% letter of credit. Stop. The petitioner's case is that the contract was duly signed on its behalf and forwarded to the respondent for its signature. Stop. A photocopy of the duly signed version of the contract was then returned to the petitioner by the respondent. Stop.